Huh? What is that? Unwrap me. Is it a surprise? Huh? Oh my! Is it a baby slime or what? Hi, I'm Baby Slime. Take care of me. I'm very gluttonous and mischievous. Instructions: praise, love, and adore. No way, a grown-up Sam's enough.
So it's me!
Aha, gotcha! You revealed yourself pretty quickly.
You really don't need a mini slime?
Your card was very articulate. I'm afraid this baby slime would ruin the whole house.
Though it would be the most mischievous baby in the world.
I'm not sure about that.
Huh? I can't think of anybody else.
Really? Not a clue, huh?
I have absolutely no idea.
Then come, I'll introduce you.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
Christmas this time of year? Ridiculous. I hate Christmas.
Sue, you're such a Grinch. Christmas is the best holiday ever.
But someone won't agree with you on this matter.
Guys, this is a real Grinch. Save our Christmas.
Today we're gonna transform a doll, into a baby Grinch.
Ho ho! Baby Grinch doesn't look that grumpy. We can still save Christmas!
First, we'll remove all the doll's hair. The Grinch has a marvelous hairstyle. We'll make it from scratch. Here's the first lock.
I need to get changed. Be right back.
Wow, now it looks so bold. Grinch would have loved it.
Let's take a souvenir photo. And there. It's good that you don't play with this doll anymore, Sue.
Yeah, let's give the toy a new life. I took smaller scissors to remove the eyelashes. This face is gonna be a blank canvas for baby Grinch's features.
Oh, I'm so happy we're making this craft today. I'm a Grinch fan.
Oh yeah, you'd be a great mischievous couple. Now, let's sculpt a face for the doll.
We'll use model and paste. Faster, Sue, or it will solidify.
Sam's right. This paste loses plasticity in the open air pretty fast, guys. Sammy, I need your advice. How would you describe the Grinch's look?
Well, he has a cat-like wrinkled face, a snub nose, and lots of fur.
Oh, what a detailed description. We'll think about the fur later, and now let's focus on his eyes.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There's just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents. Wait, I do care about presents. The more the better.
And what was your singing all about,
We should teach Baby Grinch to love Christmas. He'll feel the Christmas spirit, I promise.
Right. What do you think about these green irises?
Better take the yellow ones.
You're right. Yellow looks much better. Let's use them. Glue the eyes here. Yeah, they fit perfectly. Aw, he's such a cutie. Why did the Who's make fun of him anyway?
Even though the Who's love Christmas as I do, they can be cruel sometimes.
Yeah, so we'll try to fix that. Our baby Grinch will be loved and pampered so much.
I got a present for him. Can't wait to get it.
Oh, you can show us, Sammy. We won't tell him a word.
No, Grinch should be the first. Let's hide it somewhere in secret.
Sammy loves the Grinch so much that he's willing to make Christmas for him in the middle of the year. Guys, if you like Grinch too, give this video a thumbs up.
I love the Grinch. Let's make his heart twice as big.
And these are the famous cat-like features of the Grinch. Now he reminds me a bit of our Fluffy. And here's the snub nose Sam was talking about. Aw, adorable.
I want to be cute too. Sue, what do you think?
Sammy, you're already cute as you are. Just be yourself.
Oh, thanks, Sue. We should tell that to Baby Grinch more often.
I absolutely agree. By the way, we almost finished modeling his face.
At least we don't need to make his belly. The doll already has one.
Sammy, it seems like you can't wait to babysit him.
Yeah, I'll be a great nanny.
I don't doubt that. Guys, do you remember the original doll's face? Can you imagine that this was just an ordinary baby doll?
It's time to start coloring, Sue. The Grinch should be green!
It's avocado green. Whoosh! And in the original book, Grinch was black and white. His iconic green look was created by Chuck Jones, the director of the animated series.
While the Grinch's first book appearance was in 1957, so many generations of kids know him!
Okay, now it's gonna get a bit messy here, so we've covered the table to protect it from the paint. Aw, let's protect your cute eyes from paint too, yeah? And it's done.
Ahem, I am the Grinch. Sing Lou Who. I live in Whoville. Who are you?
I don't like love, I don't like fun. When I'm around, Christmas is done.
You didn't hear that, baby Grinch? Sue, you're teaching him bad stuff.
Ooh, sorry, I didn't mean to. That song is just so catchy.
The doll is starting to look more like Grinch. But his bald head is still weird.
Don't worry, we'll deal with the hair very soon. Check out this gorgeous color. Turn around, mister. Let's color the back of your head too.
Aha! It's time to make a video for my blog. Hey, where's baby Grinch?
Here we are, Sammy.
Sue, you both scared me!
Sorry, we just finished the base coloring. It's the main color, but the face still looks kind of flat.
So, what are you gonna do about that?
We'll add some shadows to define the facial features. Whoosh! That's the second step of coloring. You should do it only when the base dries properly. Alright, let's start from the eye bags. Use a brush to paint right inside the creases. This way.
Hey! This reminds me of that transformation to Baby Yoda we made last year!
Hey, you're right! Guys, you can check that video on our channel. It's pretty awesome.
But for now, stay tuned! The result will be mind-blowing!
Guys, we're almost done with the contouring. Let's push harder.
What do you think? Will Grinch like his look?
Well, if he doesn't, he will destroy the house. Grinches are really strong.
Then I'd better not show him the mirror until we finish.
Aw, this cute little nose needs a few brush strokes too. Here and here. By the way, do you know where the Grinch made cameo appearances? It's a classic Christmas movie you should know about.
It was in Home Alone, the first two parts. Guys, do you like those movies?
Grinch is always where the mischief is. Aw, now he looks even more grumpy.
Shiver me cheddars! I'm afraid my present won't help!
Let's wait, Sammy. And here are his bushy eyebrows.
Sue, check out my new look! My eyes shine brighter!
Ooh, Sammy, you're starting a new trend. Grinch needs these eyelashes too.
He's always welcome. I'm in the mood right now.
Thank you. Here you go. Wow, now his eyes remind me of Bambi.
And I can see future pranks and tricks inside them. Beware, Susan.
I will. And now, let's work with his fur. Oh, it's so green. But we'll add more color texture. Follow us, guys. The fur will have light and deep colored strands. This way.
So cool, Susan! I want to color the fur too! Wait!
We're a great team, Sammy. Well done. Check out the smooth color transition.
Yeah, if we wanted to steal Christmas, we'd be great thieves. You didn't hear that, guys.
And now we'll start making hair. Ooh, this will be fun. First, let's add some glue. Be very careful. Here we go. And now we'll place it here and press a little bit. There you go.
Say cheese! Sue, no one will believe that we've made a baby Grinch!
It means we did great. Let's continue and finish his wild hairstyle. And the finishing touch, hairspray. Whoosh! Grinch's hair should stand out.
Use a spray with strong hold, guys. Wow! He grew the fur by himself! What a prankster!
I have quick hands, Sammy, bits of fur on arms and legs, and here's baby Grinch. Our Grinch is only missing a baby onesie. Oh, he looks so adorable.
And here is when my gift comes in handy, Sue. Open it up!
Okay, what's in there? Oh, I'm so excited, like it's my own present. Wow, a Christmas tree. It's so beautiful, Sammy. What do you say, guys?
I did my best. Check this out. I posted it on my Instagram.
Our crafts are conquering the world. Will the Grinch love it or hate it? Let's put it on.
Come on, Sue. I can't wait to see it.
Here we go. No destruction so far. It gives me hope.
Maybe he really has started to love Christmas. Woohoo! We won!
You are so adorable. Hi, cutie. Aw, Sammy, check out his tiny palms.
Oh, hi, baby Grinch. Christmas is good. Stealing presents is bad, right? There. Ouch! Sue, he spat at me!
Some of the bad habits are still there. Grinch, this is Max. He'll be your best friend. I'm sure you'll get along.
Hey, I think he's smiling. Somewhere deep inside.
Right. Today we're gonna binge-watch Christmas movies together.
Woohoo! I'll make popcorn!
Guys, do you know these Grinches? Be patient with them and give them lots of love.
Then their hearts will grow. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. See
ya!